Donnie with militarynerds.com. I just want to kind of show you where I'm at right now with this database that I'm developing. It's going to be a human resources database for both the battalion and the brigade S1s. As you can see, when the database opens, this will be the dashboard. Got some quick links right here. As you can see, awards, personnel actions, leads passed, all your general information. Down here will be hot items. Right now I put leads, awards, evaluations. Not sure what else I might put in there, but you can see a number, and what that number do is it'll take you to a data sheet where you can click on a link for each individual person that's due, look at reports, various things, so you can take action on those items. Here you got quick links again for like enlisted strength, gains last 30 days, promotables, just some items that you as an S1, NCOC, or clerk, officer, whoever, that's items that you would be interested in. Here you're going to be able to update your soldiers on updates. So they would click read more right here, and then it would take them to a report and show them all the various news that they need to keep up with. Of course, you're going to want to delete some items, or maybe we can do something with archive. I'm still thinking the whole process through how I want this to work. Might just do an archive. You can archive the news articles, so that way they can look at the archives and read old articles that you may have written. Of course, you don't want the database to get too big either. Right here is HR stats, pending awards, pending leads, personal actions, total assigned, and then your daily status. Besides the dashboard, up at the top, you're going to have drop-down menus. So you got S1 functions coming soon, reports, resources, admin, different things. I haven't put everything in here yet, but there's going to be the S1 functions will pretty much be like your awards, your actions, your leads and passes, things like that you can quickly just hit that drop down and get to it, versus having to click on the dashboard and come back if you got several different screens open. Then obviously you'll have different reports and things like that. So right now all I have in here is the employee column. And when you go into employees, you'll see a bunch of information right here, and I still got to add more dummy data in here, so for sample data, so people that use it will have not only a blank database that they can start inputting things in right away, you're also going to have sample data, so you can just see what it should look like. So if I was to come right here, you see Stark, I can type just part of that name right there and then hit my filter button, and it'll show you all the different people with that name, starting with that name right there. I can hit remove filter. I can filter by UIC or company. Don't have any in there. Soldiers in there right now. So if I did this UIC though, and come up here, we want 132. So I can filter by that, and you can see then it'll show you that. Then you also have battalion. So let's see if I want to just copy this one, see all the people in that. You don't have to copy. I'm just doing it as a quick way to do this. And then it'll filter for that as well. Now, once each soldier is linked to the various actions that they may have that are required. So if I click on their ID number, so we'll click on this one right here, you can see it's going to show their name up here in bold print. And then down here is their name. So, you can obviously change it. So I'll change that to 3. You can see that changes as well. Let's say I take out their specialty and then I try to save. It's going to automatically tell you, hey, you need to put in that job specialty. So I'll put in a job specialty, and I'll probably make this a drop down so you can add all the different job specialties so everybody does same information. You have your rank. You can see the different ranks right here. Descriptions, not necessary really, so I can probably just take that out. Maybe for new soldiers, leave it in. Then you got your UIC. This will show you the UIC, the company, the battalion. Now, obviously, a lot of your battalions and brigades, you probably won't have this much information in there. You might have this much for a brigade, and in the battalion, I'll probably have just a few right here. And then what happens is if I change this, you can see it's going to automatically change this right here. So whatever I make it, it's going to automatically fill that in. And you can change it in there, but obviously you're not going to do that, so I'll probably fix this to where you can't change it and you have to use this right here. So these are things we're catching as I go along, and that's what I need your help in too, is to test this out and let me know what I need to add. So I'm trying to make it kind of like the ERB, ORB, career awards, different things that's on there. So right here you can see you got your branch, ASVAB date, score, things like that. Things that, and I know you can do this in email poll and EDAS and all that, but that's not what the point of this database is. The point of this database is to help you quickly identify those items and look in overall scale. Um, Maybe I can take some of this stuff out, and if that's recommended, I'll take it out, and you just track, awards and leaves and things like that, which is where we come to that is your awards. Now this is stuff that you can't really do in email poll. You can't track all those documents that's coming through your office, and that's what this database is all about, to track those documents and make sure that you're efficiently operating so you can get those documents completed, processed, and get soldiers out on time with their awards like they're supposed to have. So right here you got your basic information that'll show up, and you can change the size of it. You can sort. You can filter. If I just want to see all the ETS awards received right there, just select that, and then you can just go back and see everything. So I can do anything in there that I need to do. Just like on the employee table, you just click on the ID number, and then right here you can see all that same information. Here's some example text. When you click in there, it'll go away. And then right down here, you got a document number. The thing I like about it, let's say I didn't put in the reason for the award. This is something, to help you out, to keep soldiers from inputting data incorrectly. It's going to say award reason field must be completed. So then I fill that out. Now I'm going to try hitting save and close, and then it goes like it's supposed to. Some of the other ones, which I guess I didn't do it on this one, let's go to another one. Let's try leave. I'll take out award clerk here. And I'll take out the status. And then I'll hit save and close. Location field must be completed on document tracker. So it automatically, let's say I just do this, then it's going to automatically take me to that document tracker. This tracks everywhere that your document is at. So you'll be able to track that history all the way down until this document is closed out. Comments, everything, who has it, all that. Now I'll hit save and close, and now you see I got it because I have another one down here that I did. Now if I hit escape, I could just do like this right here. Now it'll save and close for me. Finance. Right here, total enclosures must be filled out. Try to hit save and close again. Finance action. Say BAH, and then take care of it. So I'm still working on the rest of this, but you can kind of get the sense of the flow that I have going on right now with it. And there's a lot of things that I still have to work out as we go. I mean, it's a tedious process, obviously, to put a lot of this code in here for you. But I think once it's all completed and everybody starts using it, and you tell me what changes you need made, we can make those changes and make this a really good product. Right now, I'm working on the evaluation information. So right here, you can see this is kind of how I'm going through creating a database. So I got my employees, career, awards, leave, finance, actions. Now I'm on rating scheme, so I'm working on the rating scheme portion right now. This would be the rating scheme. Right here is an example of a senior rater worksheet that come off the HRC website, and then work on that. And then you see some other ideas. I got assignments, and I haven't put anything in yet, but these are just ideas. Assignments, retention, medical, legal, sorted by listed and officer evaluations, strength management, promotions, and just talking about my dashboard there, the admin area, and then other possibilities, non-available newcomers, birthday rosters, all kinds of things. So I'm going to close it out now because otherwise it's going to get a very long video and too big. But feel free to comment, like us on Facebook and everything. Come to the website. There's going to be a lot going on with these tools, and this isn't the only tool I'm making. I mean, there's going to be tools for S3, S4, orderly rooms, first on commanders, platoon sergeants. The goal is that we have products that are constantly updated. Instead of just having 1,000 different products out there, we're going to have a bunch of different products for each category, but that one product for each category is maintained and supported and updated. And it's going to take a lot of volunteers, a lot of you military nerds out there that want to help out, and you don't have to know about automation. You just have to have the smarts in your field, the subject matter expert, to help suggest what we can add to this and make it better. Maybe you're good at at flow, at design, efficiency, things like that. You don't have to be somebody that knows how to create databases. You just need to be somebody that can give suggestions for improvements, so that way we can make this work for everybody. All right, hope you like it. Thanks.